Hello everyone, I am Dr. DC Burman speaking. Today I will speak on the subject pediatric vision or child vision. Nowadays, children are very much confined to their studies and indoor games through electronic media or internet websites, which are very much strenuous as well as harmful enough to their visual system. If we pay a little attention to their problems, we can prevent a lot of ocular diseases. Some signs and symptoms related to vision problems are: number 1, constant rubbing of eyes. Number 2, unable to follow the boardwork in the classroom. Number 3, rapid blinking of eyes and watering. Number 4, extreme photophobia, that is intoleration of light. Number 5, chronic redness of eyes. Number 6, attitude of extreme bending of head or eyes towards the near object at the time of reading or writing. Number 7, deviation of the eyeball. Number 8, chronic headache with eye strain. Number 9, squeezing of eyes while viewing. Under these circumstances, one should be advised to take consultation of an eye specialist. It is found that most of the children are becoming very close to their near visual work, and consequently they are becoming short-sighted and unable to view the distant object clearly. This condition is called myopia. Primarily, this visual problem may be avoided with the help of some visual exercises. Number 1, to see the distant object located at a distance of 20 feet or more and a near object located at 1 foot distance alternatively for 10 minutes at morning and 10 minutes at night. Number 2, to rotate your eyes clockwise and anti-clockwise for 10 minutes at morning and 10 minutes at night. Besides these, children should be advised to maintain at least 1.5 feet distance for their near visual work. Thus, we can avoid many types of visual disease like amblyopia, squint, etc., which are developed in childhood. Apart from these, some foods should be included in our diet, which are enriched with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants for the enhancement of vision. Number 1, eggs, spinach, broccoli, corn, green peas are the sources of lutein and zeaxanthin. Number 2, red berries, tomato, broccoli, capsicum, spinach, guava, grapes, oranges are the source of vitamin C. Number 3, vegetable oils, nuts, green leafy vegetables, sweet potatoes are the source of vitamin E. Number 4, carrot, pumpkins, sweet potatoes, eggs, and green leafy vegetables are the source of vitamin A and beta carotene. Number 5, salmon, soybeans and walnuts are the source of essential fatty acid. Number 6, red meat, poultry, oyster and other seafoods, nuts, beans, soy foods, milk and other dairy products are the sources of zinc. In the conclusion, some key points to remember. Number 1, children should maintain at least 1.5 feet distance from the near vision object. Number 2, mobile phones and laptops should be used rationally with a mood of low brightness and contrast. Number 3, the level of the TV screen should remain below the eye level. Number 4, fresh seasonal fruits and vegetables should be taken for the enhancement, nourishment and betterment of our vision. Thank you.